wow, it has a long tail. Long back, too.
Just let me hold you. Just for a moment. Come here. Yes. Frog eyes. Three front toes. This is a Desmognathus.
There's a spider hanging from your hoodie. Wait, let me record it. Hello.
I don't see him. Oh, I see him. Oh, you're so cute. Do you want to hold them?
Nah.
Okay.
No more handling than necessary, right?
Thank you for your time.
The spider's just hanging from your hoodie. Oh my god.
Are you going down? Where are you going? Just hanging out? You're so cute. Okay. Okay, cool.